I'm highly upset about this. My camera died, so what I'm doing today, I'm filming on the iPhone. I'm cutting the resonators off the Mustang because I need more loud. I just need more loud. The tone is deep now. I just need it deep and a little bit louder. So it's not gonna be a crazy long video, but I will give a before and after type of thing. So. Oh, that's nice too. Okay. Not the greatest comparison because obviously I'm not in the back of the car, but it's alright. Before we go though, I gotta pick up my man D Jizzle real quick. You know, he wanted to come along for the ride and experience greatness, so who am I to deny him that? Who mans is this? Yo, somebody get they man. Somebody get they man. Oh my God. Ooh, man. Ooh, man, he got the GoPro out. Late as hell. I've been waiting out here for 45 to an hour.
Ask him your question. All right, first of all, we're not going to start on that. But ask him your question.
I don't know the other question.
He wants to know if he can sit in the back seat of your vehicle.
You want to sit in the back?
The back seat. Oh, yeah.
Bro, you're not going to fit.
Yeah.
I mean, I can make room back there because I got a bunch of shit back there, but it's not gonna be comfortable. It's up. My man knees.
Oh,
it ain't working out. This ain't working out.
Ah, yes.
So, just pulled up. The low cost. Got a 5.0 here.
There's an Infinity good.
Where? Where you see Infinity at?
All the way straight through.
Oh shit, here it is. Ain't this a Z4?
It looks like you're wrong. I don't know if
I thought you was a BMW boy. It's a Z3. And what do I see? My dream. Except for I want a 13, 14. I don't want this year. Look at the wheels. I feel so weird vlogging on my phone. What's good, bro?
We getting this resonator deleted.
Yeah.
Finally pulled it up.
Yeah. Hold on.
What?
Ask him
What?
if we can cover this.
Let's see, that's what we be looking at. Let's see what we're looking at. Alright, we're gonna get rid of this H pipe one day.
These guys.
Those are coming out now. I'll probably leave that like that. Yeah, this is Flowmaster Jones. I ain't put them on though.
You got the Outlaw.
Yeah, those are Outlaw. Those are the loudest ones I think they make.
Yeah, oh, they're mad small. This car's gonna be loud
This
as
needs to
shit.
come off. Eventually, these will come off.
That's what I got. It's similar to what I got on my Mustang.
Oh, you got a
Oh,
Mustang?
you got it?
Yeah, I got the silver one.
Oh, you got the
Oh, that
okay.
one right there.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Should sound like after. Kind of sounds the same.
Yeah.
Kind of does sound the same.
First start.
First start up, resonators off. It did make a difference. It does.
Yeah.
It,
Yo, it did.
it does sound different, bro.
It does.
I guarantee you it does, bro.
It does. That thing feels beastly.
He's only revving it to like 2, bro.
close.
Camera died.
Hold this real quick. It's a little more raspy, and I like that.
This shit loud. And you're popping.
And I'm popping.
Man, hype as shit. That was definitely a goodbye.
Right, he heard it. Good decision. Good decision. Good decision. I had to think about it. I'm like, yo, but the YouTube video sounded different. Before I close this vlog out, this is a R34. What? What? This shop got everything.
Is there a G right there?
Where? Oh, that definitely is his right there.
Hold on, we could go in.
Can we go in? They got an R33 here too. Yo, they wild in here. Oh, did they talking to us? Damn, that's crazy. Oh, they got an Evo in the corner. Shit, that's crazy. I hate vlogging on the phone. I'm in this vlog out. That was it. I mean, got my man right here. It sure is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, browse the channel. Have a good day.